Human nature is the most important global issue. Despite the modern world's efficiency and industry, at an emotional level, the human spirit has been dampened, pressed down. The modern economy now presumes that we are all fundamentally selfish and competitive. When everyone is feeling assaulted by the force of greed, the qualities of trust, empathy, and generosity begin to feel unnatural. Through this greed and discontent, we are consuming our planet and the natural resources it provides. The pain and confusion of the world is now so vivid and unavoidable that we have no choice but to acknowledge it. When we are finally fed up with torturing ourselves, others, and the planet, out of our exhaustion will arise a gap in which we come to our senses and collectively rediscover a more natural state. From this open and sensitive state, we communicate. It is the wellspring from which we create great music and art, great commerce, economics, and politics. The notion of enlightenment is that no matter how dark the room is, even if it has been dark for thousands of years, as soon as someone lights a match, the room is illuminated. We have the tools to do this right here, in our mind. We may never before have considered human nature, but in order to move forward as a global community, it is vital that we do so now. Society does not simply run on greed and aggression. It is human nature to be in harmony with one another and the environment. What has given us the upper hand is our ability to organize and work together by compromising, observing, listening, caring, and responding appropriately. If a more enlightened society is to come about, it must be based on a global conversation, allowing each of us to participate in the global community of people who wish to shift the destiny of our planet. Is our nature really fear and aggression? Or could it be that we are actually gentle and fearless at heart? Underneath the stress and anxiety, is it possible there is peace?